Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your Capsim decisions for round 1. First step is we come into my reports, traditional market segment. Here, customers, a product with an ideal age of 2 has an importance of 47, price of between 20 and 30 has an importance of 23%, ideal positioning has an importance of 21%, reliability has an importance of 9%. So ideal positioning has an importance of 21%. So here, the first decision is, I'll give it 6.2 and a size of, let me say, 13.8. Mean time before failure, so let us look. The mean time before failure has reliability has an importance of 9%. So I'll take the maximum reliability. So it's 19,000. Then I'll calculate so that I can see the revision date. Here, the revision date and both the revision date and the age, they are the decisions here are made indirectly. Whereas performance size and mean time before failure, the decision here is made directly. So my revision date is 31st of July next year. So I think I'll have enough time to sell my product. So if you look at your perception map, you see that my traditional product is still in the traditional segment circle. So I've not moved out. So while you're making your decision, ensure that your product does not move into other segment because you'll not make a sale. The second product is low end. Here, customers give price an importance of 53. Age has an importance of 24. Ideal positioning has an importance of 16. Reliability has an importance of 7. Because age has an importance of 7 and the decisions for age is being done in my R&D page, I'll not make any decisions in this round because I want my product to age so that it can attain an age of 7. Because last year my product had an age of 4.6. So if I revise it this time, this age will be divided into half, so I might not achieve what the customers really want. So the next product is R&amp. So I think R&amp is in the high end. So here ideal positioning has an importance of 43%. Age has an importance of 29%. Reliability has an importance of 19. And price has an importance of 9. So the thing that I'll do here, I'll increase my performance to 8.9 and reduce my size to 11.1. Then let's look at mean time before failure of high end. The mean time before failure has an importance of 19%, so I'll give it 25. The product is coming out at 23rd of September. The next decision is for aft. Aft is in the performance. So here reliability has an importance of 43%. So the first thing that I'll do, I'll just give it a maximum reliability because customers want a product that is more reliable. Then let's go back to my performance segment. Mean time before failure is 43%. Ideal positioning is 29%. Price is 19%. Age is 9%. I'll give it so I'll give it performance of 10.5 and size of 14.8. Then for R&amp, so I'll calculate. You can see that my product is coming out in the month of October 2024. So R&amp, which is my size segment, I'll give it here ideal position has an importance of 43%. Age has an importance of 29%. Reliability 19% and price is 9%. So I'll give it performance of 4.7, then size of 9.8. Then mean time before failure, I'll give it 20,000. So I'll recalculate, and it's coming out on the 21st day of October 2024. Now I'll introduce a new product. Let me name it Axe. So I want Axe to have a performance of 5.4. So 5.4, and a size of, let me give it a size of 8.8, and mean time before failure of 21,000. Because I want my product to compete, you can see it's just outside the segment, just outside the size segment. So I've introduced a new product in my size segment. The next step is marketing. So let me go to marketing. In my marketing page, I'll give it a pricing of 27.5, because if you look at your report, traditional product price has an importance of 23%, and I believe that most of our competitors will be reducing their prices so that they can be competitive. So I'm just trying to make my price more competitive than my competitors. Then this one I'll give it 20.5. Then R&amp, I'll just leave it the way it is. Aft, because if you look at R&amp, which is high end, price has an importance of 9%, meaning the customers in my high-end segment, they'll be able to, they are willing to pay for the price that I'll set for my product. Then after I'll give it, I'll raise the price to 34.5. Then again, this one I'll give it 34.5. Then I'll calculate. Then promo budget, I'll give it 2,000 for both to increase my awareness and my accessibility. I'll give them budget of 2,000 for all the areas in terms of promo and sales. Then I'll calculate. Then after calculating, for my forecast, I did it on my own, and I believe that I'll be able to sell 1,397 units in my traditional. So in my low end, I'll be able to sell 22. I got it was 1,879. Then here I'll be able to sell 550. No, sorry, 650. Yeah. Then this one I'll sell 582. Then here I'll sell 534. Yeah. Then you come into my production, because after you have done with marketing, the next part that you'll go to is the production, so that you can schedule the amount of units that you will be able to produce. So here I'll give it, let me say 1,200, because I don't want to stock out. Also, I have to increase my production by a different number, like a smaller margin of the number of units, so that I don't stock out. Then here I'll have 1850, no, 1860. Then here I'll have 640. Here I'll have 500. Here I'll have 500 also. Now for the new product, since I don't have capacity, I can't produce it, so I'll go into my physical plant because I want to increase my capacity, and so I'll buy a capacity of 300 and give it an automation of 3 also. So you can see that. Then for this one, I'll give it 7. So let me give it 7, and this one I give it because they are low end, the low end and the tradition, since we'll be competing in terms of price. So for you to get a better margin, you just have to reduce on your labor cost, and by doing so you'll get a better margin on your product. So for you to, so that you can reduce your labor cost, it's very advisable that you invest in automation. So I'll invest here. So let me put it at, so that's 7. So let it just be 7. Then for this one, I'll raise it to 6 to see if I can still have enough money so that to invest in it. So it's 6. Yeah, so that's what I can be able to achieve. Let's go to my, and I feel like I might not be able to achieve to reach this full capacity of 1800 first shift. I just want to sell some capacity because some capacity are idle, so I'll sell 300 there. Then again for this one, I'll sell yeah, so let me just sell 300 there. Then for performance, I'll increase to 4. Automation, I'll increase it to 4. Then again here I'll sell let me sell 100 capacity, 100. Let me not sell 100. Let me just sell 300 in my traditional. Then the next step is my human resource. I can't be able to make decisions in my human resource because I can't invest in my recruiting spend or training hours. So the next step is my balance scorecard to see how I have performed. Here profit is 0.5 out of 9, total of 47. So my leverage is 8. Days of working capital is 0. So let me invest in my finance. So here you can see that I'm projecting to have a deficit. So this will result in me getting emergency loan. So I'll come here. Let me invest 89.94. Then here I'll invest 5,000. So I'll recalculate. So here I want to balance my finance. So here I'll recalculate that one. So let me check on my balance scorecard. My balance scorecard is 51.6. So my contribution margin is still low because most of my profit is being used in developing my plant. So that's it for today, guys. If you feel you have any question, just reach me on the contact on your screen, and for sure I'll get back to you and see how I can help you.